Morning, I was here somewhere kwaba emraso yen nsema ekoso akudie mo nsem ne doso. Nanso na pai de se fata sauti ne de ebre ma ekwan no. Ene ya chi ne kufuo na ye de ebre wo ye sadi mo gel and roll on de sia konkon ne nsem na de ebre sadi mo pin ne be kwa sadi mo. Sanso na ye chief fast minister mo aye obema. Na mo aye obemu. There's original nice way chief fast minister. And of course, so be better oneexpert.com and I make inform our nano price and microphone and also wait me DP options abe fast with the dinner so doors bebre etinyeja ho fa ho jim nipa nsahwe ye oneexpert.com kejwana kasani Erica Siedu body be hyase e de afi enra the English Premiership match back one say ye fio e no ye match ye Manchester United and Leeds e de epim so ba na we no na United Jadon Sancho to me atekale amamo ke dwin komulu su tutu and my boy in that game. Honorable Mustafa Yusuf na densa moto jasa de ba ko be Ghana football and Ghana sports policy direction I say aha na ye konti emfa ho no wa ba betena so no aha na ye say ye konti ho na abeto aso obi ma mesi multipurpose sports court obi from ma meka so ba be yi akwan bi ma so be two ball hold David just obi a on vision de ba e say nyina kasa ha na ye ko ya sports ni ye sa na be bo am yetima ko ye
the sports policy and the committee at the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the taxium said they should work on a sports policy and why draft to draft and send a bit media juman I said to me all the stakeholders a bus sports are obi omo nim die nyina obi ade na adwen eba Ghana phone nyina de omo adwen ba until first you almost 50 sports federation you are from nyina whether para sports, whether it is badminton, whether it is football, athletics, all the federations are here. So all of us should sit together and see how do we position sports as an economic driver for our country? How do you position sports as job creation? How do you position sports for economic development and also for peace? So it is our duty to come together to do that. And we are going to solicit their views to enrich that document so that at the end of the day, when we launch
and on in some honorable sports minister here to Jana and copy mo once and for from one Christian Chuhun Samoa yetimi enya yamosone no play na minister for youth and sports akasa wi Ghana ambassador the court techie Mrs. Francisca she told don't na den samo to bia samugo so ye dwuma amugo so gidi se na bia Ghana de hye no ye be hu ba bi o hye and roll on can when there is some of bro Sedimo gel and roll on papa pass and so and I chief fast minister so can why then some no area bro na yen kopie mo former general secretary of my MPP Rakwabna Japan or then some to just say maybe wa e say some Ghana football mo ma football net me afan to my past e kon say e kon year there e be brepa
when they tried to take governments out of football then I felt that no that cannot be right. Football in this country the governments represent the communities. And yes, when a boy at the Sika and the stadiums, the national team. Now you cannot create an impression because by President Kufoma, your friend is saying Ben Kofi never chairman. FIFA and carry. No, we're pointing in your tamako. FIFA and carry. Ni say anything in your tamako see where jai. Yes, I appointed from the from so chinchra and yen kotoa by any sin. Me to be no former team and I'm say baby I'm okay. The hot. Those days, governments will nominate two people, then will go to Congress and select one. Today, be aware, FHM, who say you are accountable.
You have to be,
So, and then, it is taken over by people who don't account to it.
Right, and on this about Brady to John and copy more the Black Queens of Ghana. Omo catch me no can say Pennyfo ton safre Mabawa Beye Aduasa. Someone share campaign say. Na yenhwe say ekwa ni mnyama betima ko FIFA International window e baso February no friendly matches ahodwa ese Ghana e de epim so Ghana ne Benin ni Togo and de ebebo ni ahwe say the 2023 Waffle Zone B cup on betima ko bodwuma e wo mu 2024 Africa Nations Cup so ye be kwa ko bobi yes e ma no de no man AFCON no ye gina mu den nti ni nyina se e be ko bia ko bomoden e be qualify ko mu ni ade nyina no e say Black Queens timi e gina mu nan so bodwuma ne ade a eti ye hwe say on Sunday, February 19, Ghana ebebo a friendly matches in a face on the 25th February. So, back also at the Appium. So, Nora Haptel, one of coach Panidi about the Black Queens of Ghana.
Already found around 35 players playing abroad, which can play for Ghana. And now, this week, we are making a selection camp in Pram Pram next week again. We invite 2 times 45 players to screen them. So I get a bit an impression of the foreigner, but as well also as the domestic players. And out of this big pot, we want to create a good squad. And in the next step, then also go out to the clubs and screen a lot of clubs player also in the competition. So I met them last Friday. I had a very, very good impression about the technical stuff. We had a meeting to share a bit the values and our mission. I have the feeling that they are all very willing to develop, and this is for me one of the most important skills of my staff members, that we can develop each other to achieve a big success. So we created a new mission, and the mission is called Volta. Volta, it's a big river in Ghana, and Volta is a Portuguese word and means turn. So now, with my appointment, we want to make the turn towards to success again. And of course, it's not just happening. We have a high commitment from president to all the leaders, technical director in the Ghana FA, that they will support us and load all the necessary investments also that we can fulfill this. First of all, it's about bringing the best player in the national team. There are so many players who play in very good leagues also abroad, and we need to work to bring them in. So my job is also to get in contact with them, to call them, and to invite them back to the black.
Right. In the hospital, no. Now, she say Volta. You see, Black Queens, no. A operation Volta. Because I call Portuguese Volta. I say, oh, Daniel. It's Volta Ghana there is Lucas, but say Portugal there Volta. I just say turn around. So yeah, turn the Black Queens around. Tomunam share send him a bit makoye. Turn Black Stars. You know more yeah players near the side so and Black Queens so you be kwa buruchide. We bit my boy be twa be hembi. Nye local for pen bebo. Teno and yema yeah you know have to let you to on the coach and the Black Queens of Ghana. Shane so mama said more gel and roll on pin be be kwa omwa about yeah pain reliever pa. Feel so because you now say said more gel and roll on. Shane so mama says Senate Pharmacy and Akofaba one more our Sherman main station office on tema from 0208 219 129 and 0208 986731 now said more gel and roll on penny 423 and come on fast Mr. and more general nice so your bar now bema general nice to so bad general nice bema fast Mr. 1xbet.com so can one up a penny I didn't someone Eddie Brewo, you be so now YDC na Bedwam atwaso Shane Sumame Sergio Manucho Bena Paribotre in Emi producers and of course image wear na share ma atade for image wear 0546452111 0546452111 na wajo de niti pa ma na me manya yentade mom niti the story be look simple kakra ya kuntan to ya no show boy Mr. Magnus Rex Dankwa, my birthday, former chief operating officer, 2008, Nyaba Ghana, one OD anymore. I ban a bede, dear one, I would Ghana, one, dear Mr. Rex Dankwa. Happy birthday going out to you. Yamisha, not to Quanum Padadi. If you are fine, I pomodine quatintin here. If you are fine, dear. Kaisa or the Nankasabaka Kajuan, where I can see the wedding, because I have a